Is your Samsung washer showing an HC error code? This indicates a problem with high temperature heating, often caused by overheating or sensor malfunctions. Let's troubleshoot step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to address the issue or when to contact support. What does HC mean? The code signals that the washer has detected an abnormal temperature during the heating process. This could be due to a faulty heating element, blocked vents, or external factors like poor ventilation. First, check the drum for obstructions. Ensure nothing is blocking airflow inside the drum, such as small items or debris. Even minor blockages can cause overheating. Next, inspect the vent system. For models with a vented drying function, ensure the vent hose is not kinked or clogged. Clear any lint or debris from the exhaust system to restore proper airflow. If the error persists, reset the washer. Unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes to clear temporary glitches. This also allows internal components to cool down after overheating. For persistent issues, verify the power supply. Ensure the washer is plugged into a stable outlet and not experiencing voltage fluctuations. If your area has unstable power, consider using a voltage stabilizer. Still stuck? Links for the user manual and customer support are available in the video description. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy laundry day.